with Mountains of Sound Home Inspection. I'm here with my good friend and the lovely Catherine Weir of Caldwell Baker Bain here in Issaquah. Catherine was kind enough to take a minute to share her experience with us and why she recommends her clients to use Mountains of Sound Home Inspection. So Catherine, what do you think and what has been your experience with Mountains of Sound?
Well, Mountains of Sound Home Inspection is actually my favorite home inspection company, and not because Brandon's standing here either. I did actually use someone when I first started in real estate, and I actually transitioned to using these guys. One of the things I really like is they make it all so simple. I can text and get a response, book an appointment. They'll reach out to my clients. The guys that turn up to the inspection are amazing. They do a great job. They don't blow up deals, but they tell you all the information you need so that you can educate your buyers or sellers, depending on who it's for. And they do an inspection report that is just primo. It's really easy to read. Communication's great.
Good, awesome. Well, thank you so much for sharing that. Last question really quick is, there's other agents in your office or around town that maybe you know, who or why might they want to use Mountains of Sound if they're not happy with the inspection experience they currently have right now?
I think the biggest issue and the reason I would recommend you is the quality of the work that you do and the communication. The two hand in hand make for a great experience. They make inspections as good as they can make.
They're so great, right?
Enjoyable for everyone.
Yeah, awesome. Well, thank you so much. It's been a pleasure working with you for the several years we've been working together, and hopefully we can do many more deals with you.
Absolutely. Sounds good, Brandon.